everyone, today we will do Kailash Chandra dictation transcription number 219. You can get the PDF from description box. So ready? Start. Mr. Deputy Chairman, while speaking on the appropriation bill, I would like to discuss a little disparity in the matter of the distribution of the allocation to the different state. Sir, there are many backward states in this country, including Assam. Generally, the allocation of the central grant for all these states is not, I submit, in proportion to the needs or according to the income of a particular state. The government of Assam has in its present budget shown a deficit of nearly rupees 30 crore, and it has also been stated that it is not possible to collect this amount within the state itself by additional taxation or otherwise. As a matter of fact, the government of Assam has been complaining to the centre about the inadequacy or rather the disproportion in the grants made from income tax collected from the resources in Assam and from the excise duties on tea, jute, etc., as well as on petroleum. Sir, until some more adequate finance are made available to that state from the resource of the state itself, this deficit will go on and the development of this state would be hampered. It is time something was done because it has been accepted as a principle that we should devote a little more attention towards the development of the backward people and the backward areas. Assam is one of the most backward areas. It is almost the most backward area, and I think in the matter of giving finance, the government of India should give a little more money for the development of that state. That state is backward in many respects. We have to see that this disparity that there in it's the country which is widening in certain place in removed as early as possible and to bring in more industrialization of the backward places. Assam being one such backward state, there should be more consideration given to it. Then there is the question of communication in the state of Assam. Some attempts have been made for developing communication in that state, but no industrialist has yet been tempted to come to that state or start an industrial undertaking and take advantage of the immense natural resource of that state and utilize them for the benefit of that state and for that of the whole country. So, the development of communication is another important factor. The development has taken place is not at all enough, and the pace of progress has to be much swifter so that the state could be brought on par with other states. The general complaint everywhere is that the Post and Telegraph Department has not been very efficient or that it has deteriorated in the efficiency in many places. People have been complaining of not receiving telegram in time and of not receiving their letters. This is the case not only in Assam but elsewhere also. Of course, it depends on the efficiency of the people who are administering this department. Therefore, I submit more attention should be given to the efficiency in this particular department so that people may not have the grievance regarding the receipt or delivery of telegrams and letters. Firstly, I have to say something about the department dealing with statistics. The authenticity of this statistical information is always being questioned from all quarters. Generally, we find that these statistics are collected from the official paper, and those official paper are not based on the actual fact. For instance, in the matter of agricultural production, we have been hearing for a long time that there has always been an increase in production. But actually, only this year, perhaps during all these 5 or 10 years, there has been a little more production in agriculture. But all these years, we have been hearing from these statistical publications that production from agriculture has been increasing all these years. As a matter of fact, production was going below our requirement. So the statistics should be based on actual village inquiries and not on the papers submitted from the revenue offices through their officer. Now I have to say a few words about some multi-purpose river project. We have been told that the investigation for one multi-purpose project has been going on in Assam. This investigation has been going on for the last 10 years or so, and every year some money is being allotted for this purpose. We are surprised that this investigation has not yet been completed. In Assam, we have been waiting for the power all these years, and it has come from the development of this project, and this project alone can supply the power that Assam so badly wants, and Assam is so backward in the matter of power supply. I would like to draw the attention of the government to the necessity for expedition in respect of investigation of this project. The work on this project should be stopped immediately so that the investigation may carried out on proper lines without further delay. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel Steno Star.